Here we go. And it begins. So, on the winner's side, we have a surprise upset. Tenerus playing Latch. And on loser's side, we have MechaSoul playing Sonata. Mecha's won pretty much all of the tournaments he's been in apart from one. The first ever LLTourney didn't win. He came second to Ubron, who I haven't actually seen since. But fast-paced, close games so far. Oh, I thought he already got hit. Sonata's bunts. Wow. Ooh, that was well played. Yeah, especially like this. Ooh! Changing the angles up, so not a special. That's one thing it's good for. It's throwing people off. And you also get that ridiculous along the floor thing that it does. Tenerus showing no fear, going straight into that death hole. But Tenerus, again, doesn't even care, just down bounce it. Neither of them care anymore. That was a great charge shot into an up angle. Very shallow up angle on Sonata, very nice.
Smacks it right in the face.
Ooh, rip. So, it's looking like Tenerus' last victory. Not meaning quite as much. Oh, that's what Mecha is. He's everywhere. Oops. Got serve bundled. Come on, Tenerus. Don't lose first match to a missed bunt. Ooh, and a great good bunt there. Mecha not actually parrying that, but still reading the next angle nicely. Lucky bunt there, I think, from Tenerus. Yeah, both of these guys do. Oh, got to about 400k speed before Latch finally loses that Spylar. There you go. So that's 1-0 to Mecha. Will he reset bracket? Will we see a losers grand final? Or will we just see many, many clinks?
Corner hit.
Yeah, that's unlucky.
Gets that parry.
Rip. Slightly behind. Ooh, got the parry that time. People continuously complaining about this TF2 voices. Gotta tell Tenerus. It's a little weird having Sonata with the Spice voice, not gonna lie. But I think the Heavy's voice suits Latch. Oh, that up angle is so good. So shallow. Nice. Tenerus is not messing around. Is that a beat you want? Ooh. People have been using down bunts a lot more effectively recently. I've been dying a lot to down bunts.
I still can't use them.
You just do them in like people's face. It's like a free kill. I got down bunted a lot playing against the Shukase earlier today. Oh, nerf Latch special, please. Get rid of that alligator, man. Ooh. A lot of speed, very quickly there from MechaSoul. And this is a very, very back and forth game. Still 1-0 to MechaSoul, but 2 stocks all. And stealing it out from him, getting that nice stock. This could be a 1-0. But MechaSoul doesn't care, he's got bunts for days.
Oh, God. I thought that got him.
Almost did, doesn't even matter. Oh no, the floor is lava.
Tenerus just can't deal with that.
Nah, like what can you do against that?
You just gotta hope.
Ooh, yeah, like just drop down, press the hit button, hope. That's great, that was a straight charge shot he used. Ooh, he went for the down angle instead of the up angle, and he gets him with the special. That's 1-1. Wow, this is well close. This is very hype grand finals. So the question is, can Tenerus take MechaSoul's like undefeated streak, I guess? It's the intense corner game as you get from these higher level players. You just sit in that corner, build special, build speed. Ooh, nice mix up there. MechaSoul missing. Ooh. Oh, MechaSoul gained the lead while I looked away. Tenerus interrupting that. But oh, nice, bunting the special straight out. But mistiming that. Charge shot. Am I?
Not a big surprise.
I don't know. These guys are. Oh! Just gives him a face full. Full mecha. Latch. Oh, that down angle again is so good. So shallow. Tenerus bringing it back. See if we can get the. Oh, I froze. That's not good. That's going to put me even further back. Tenerus isn't going down without a fight. Got one more stock left. Oh, nice bump. Just. Nah. Ooh, and there's the special going out. Alright. This is first. Well played there. Great mix up. Shooting it into the wall, just changing the timing very, very slightly. Giving Tenerus a 2-1.
Get ready. Play ball. Oh no! Put dispenser here.
Just call me Brick Guy. Tenerus is looking to take this. There's not going to be any second. Oh my gosh. Is Mecha panicking? Like, he's not playing. I wonder what mental effect this is having on Tenerus. This sort of, I might beat Mecha.
Yeah, hopefully he doesn't choke.
And hopefully Mecha doesn't start. Yeah. These guys are very, very good at this game, so. spy.
Oh, he had it, but a little too late.
Oh, oh my goodness.
Put dispenser here. Who sent all these babies to
I
fight?
don't know. They know these angles so well, and knows the timing so well. And it doesn't matter. Tenerus just doesn't even care. Like, what legend? I'm a crocodile. Ooh, again. Down ankles.
Oh, that has evened it out though. It's looking like a beat down earlier.
No. Ain't over till it's over. Nice bunt out of the corner. Mecha reading the down bunt.
Ouch, it's going crazy.
Yeah. Well mixed up by Tenerus though. Switching the angles off. Just leaving Mecha hoping that he can hit with a jump. And he catches it with the special too. That's a bit ridiculous. Yo, Tenerus might take this 3-1. Ooh, but good
nice
parry.
parry off the start.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Hit it straight. Oh, Tenerus is so good at these mind games. And is this what I think it is? Is this the dream?
It's not over yet.
No. Very much not over. Let's see. Max stopping there. Bring back the final stop. This is it. This is either.
Oh my
This is tournament stock. Am I behind? Oh! There it goes. This is very, very tense.
Get ready. Play ball.
So there's a 2-2. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is exciting match. This is either tournament for Tenerus or... Oh, the down bunts, see? Ideal.
Not a big surprise.
Wait, do you want to like pause the stream for a second and then like restart it? Or does that not work? No.
Put dispenser here.
No. I'm gonna try restarting my stream, see if I can catch up. It always like lags for a bit before it starts. I'm not so close with the hand. Those down bunts. People are just getting more and more creative with this game.
Catches that.
Wow.
Fun.
Yeah. Mecha's just suddenly on it. Tenerus was
resetting this.
yeah. Tenerus was looking dominant, but not anymore. Mecha's like, actually, yeah, I'm number 1 seed. You're number 3 seed. Let's go.
Dispenser here.
Maybe it's the level. Maybe he just prefers.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe you just can't play on that train. Wow. Mecha's so tricky.
Put dispenser here. Not a big surprise.
Oh my gosh. Parry into the bunt. Bunt into the parry, even that would be the great way around to say things. Huh? He catches that. Wow.
That up angle is so good with Sonata.
It actually is. It's ridiculous. It's like a...
That.
She would be a questionable pick. Her up angle is literally switches like special angle.
Send all these babies to fight.
It's not exactly the same, but yeah, both incredibly shallow angles. Ooh, that was very well played by Tenerus. And the stuff angle taking him out there, catching the special on the ceiling. Wow. Reddit. Wow. That was a great catch there from Tenerus. Alright, back down to 2-2. Yeah, it was all mind games, all mind games. That's what this game's about. Alright, one on the ceiling this time. Oh! The turnaround bunt into parry, but not quite catching him.
Nice down angle.
Yeah, directly into that crocodile's face. Alright, is this the dream? Are we gonna go down to last stop?
Last stop again. This is probably the most intense set I've seen.
Yeah. Tenerus is using those specials to their full effect. He ain't messing around at all. MechaSoul gets served though, which could be seen as an advantage. You get to build some meter.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Game. Tenerus
gosh.
wins. Finally.
Wow, that special. Please nerf Latch. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The winner of League of the winner of the Lethal League.
League of Lethal League.
League of Lethal League. The winner of the Lethal League tournament number 7 is Tenerus. Surprisingly, beating MechaSoul out 3-1, I believe. No, 3-2 again. Yeah.
3-2.
In winners finals. Then showing that it wasn't showing any mercy. Oh god damn, I got the Latch spam. Oh shit. Pardon me. But yeah, there you have it. I guess a sort of upset victory from the Latch, but there you have it. Tenerus wins.
Finally takes down his demon twice in the tournament, actually.
Yeah, showing that it wasn't a fluke, you know, that second match. He had something to prove. There it is. Even gods can bleed. There you have it. What a tournament that was. You know, the Big Four. Not disappointing at all. Just really shows like what a different level Tenerus and MechaSoul are on from everyone else. Cause, you know, Paul flies through losers, meets up MechaSoul, gets 3-0'd, and then Tenerus comes back and beats him. But there you have it. So, thank everyone for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll try and keep these going.
Hopefully I don't go out like second round next week. That was good. That was a very, very hype finals. The fucking trophy.
Alright, I'm gonna shut down the stream now. Thanks again, everyone. See ya next week.
I feel like we need like a cheesy tagline. Like a...
I don't know.
like a... Freaking... Ah, that was... pretty insane.
That was though. That was one of the best grand finals I've seen.
Yeah.
Alright, shutting it down now. See you guys later.